Hello YouTube, cooldude170 here from CDevStudios, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own Club Penguin private server. Now, first you'll need a source, so you need to go to cdevstudios.org/sources, then click pe_public.zip, then open it, do whatever you want, extract it. I'm going to be extracting it to the desktop, and then open the folder. Now, all of these files consist of your source. This is your source. One of these files missing will result in it not being able to start. And in case you're wondering what I'm using to edit with, it is a program called Notepad++, and you can get that in the description. I'll have a link. Anyway, config.php consists of basic server information, server name MySQL host, should stay 127.0.0.1, user pass database table. In case you don't have MySQL and you're running Windows, you can go to mysql.com, downloads, and then the community server would be perfect for a cpps, unless you want to pay, of course. I wouldn't. And then the login IP server 1 IP, server 2 IP should be the IP address of the computer or VPS you're running the server and stuff on, and the ports should stay the same unless you know what you're doing. And bot names and server names are pretty much self-explanatory. And the config.xml, here's something a lot of people get confused on. The IP in here should always stay 0 no matter what. The only things you need to change in the XMLs are the host, which is MySQL host, username MySQL user, DB name database, password MySQL pass, then table name is table, and basically config.php and config.xml have some of the same stuff. Alright, now you've got that configured and you've got MySQL downloaded and running. Well, how do you connect to it? You'll need a program I like called Navicat. Go to navicat.com, go to download, and then you'll need to go to Navicat Lite, and if you're running Windows, make sure it has a little flag beside it. Go to direct download, and it should take you to CNET. I'm not going to do this. The database will be in a different tutorial. Now, once you have that, just enter the connection information for your database and for your MySQL server, I mean. And once you're connected, notice a file in your source called install. You want to edit that, open it. Now, it should say create database and not exist OpenCP. We're going to pretend our server name is Epic Penguin. So you would change this to Epic Penguin, and the abbreviation for Epic Penguin is EP. So EP_users. You want to save that and go into Navicat, right click your connection, and then there should be an option called execute SQL file, and then you would choose install.sql, and then it should insert the information. Now, about the web server, and for your users to register, your website in general, you'll need a program called Examp. The link will be in the description, and it's a great web server for Windows, and it shouldn't give you much problems. It works great. We'll go to XAMPP for Windows, then download XAMPP installer, and this again will be in a different tutorial. I don't have much time right now. And then once you have that, you can move your you make a copy of your register and your config and move it to the htdocs section of your XAMPP install. So it would be like c:\XAMPP/htdocs, and then you would put the register and config file right, config.php file there, and then once that, people would enter the computer or VPS IP into their browser, and they should be able to register for your game. And now all you need to do is get a client. So you can go to cdevstudios.org/sources and client.zip. To edit this, you'll need Adobe Flash, CS4 or CS5, and you'll also need a media server since Club Penguin updated their stuff. Or you can leech off another private server's media, but you won't have your own custom items. The media server isn't hard to get, and we'll be hoping to upload it in the next week or so, since it was deleted from our web server due to technical difficulties. So yeah, I'll be working on the XAMPP and the navicat plus MySQL tutorial in my next videos, and comment, rate, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.